In this video, you'll learn how to switch to double opt-in in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will enhance your audience's subscription process, ensuring that they confirm their email addresses before receiving communications. Begin by navigating to Mailchimp's homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see your dashboard, which contains various options for managing your account. Look for the section labeled Home to confirm you're in the right place. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the dashboard. Click on the option labeled Audience. This action will take you to the section where you manage your contacts and subscribers. You should see a summary of your audience's statistics once this page appears. After that, locate and click on the Manage Audience drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen displaying the settings for your selected audience. Ensure you are looking at the correct audience settings before proceeding. Now, focus on the options displayed on the Settings page. Click on Form Settings, which is often referred to as audience-wide defaults. This section allows you to adjust how your forms will behave and how users will interact with them. Following this, find and click on Email Opt-in Settings. This is where you will manage the subscription preferences for your audience. You should see options related to how subscribers can opt in or out of your communications. Then click on the Edit button. This action will enable you to modify the current settings. A new interface will appear, allowing you to make the necessary changes regarding your email subscription process. Next, locate the option labeled Double Opt-in. This feature requires subscribers to confirm their email addresses after signing up. Click on this option to enable the double opt-in process. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the setting has been adjusted. Finally, click on Save Opt-in Setting to apply your changes. After clicking this button, a notification should appear confirming that your settings have been successfully saved. It is advisable to check your audience settings again to ensure the changes have taken effect. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.